You've seen the ads, you've heard the claims, but when it comes to building your website, which platform truly holds up, WordPress.com or Wix? On one side, we have the world's most popular website builder, WordPress.com. On the other, the ultra user-friendly Wix, known for its drag-and-drop simplicity. Today we're testing both platforms in real-life scenarios, customization, pricing, ease of use, feature support, and more. Time to skip the marketing fluff and see how they really stack up. For each key category, we'll be awarding points. And when we're done, you'll get to see who comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So before we judge, here's the mind map of what we got to consider. Price always a big one, then flexibility, ease of use, features, and of course, SEO and marketing. Trust me, by the end, you'll know exactly what's right for you. Okay, first up, price. Now, honestly, WordPress.com does give you a lot of bang for your buck. The free plan is actually usable. Like, you can get a site up and running with SSL security and even a custom domain for pretty cheap. But yeah, if you want to do some serious online selling, those e-commerce features get pricier. Wix comes in with monthly pay options and some slick discounts, but every little add-on means more cost creeping up. Plus, their renewal prices, let's just say, not cute. So if budget's your top concern, WordPress.com slips a little bit ahead here. Now, moving on to flexibility. And wow, this is where you see a big divide. WordPress.com at its core is open source, even if you're using their hosted platform. That means plugins, themes, and full code access if you want it. Heck, you can even export your whole site somewhere else. Now, if that sounds a little intimidating, yeah, there's a steeper learning curve. Wix, on the other hand, is all about that drag and drop life. It's visually super customizable, and the app market helps you add features, but little secret, the source code is totally off limits. And if you want to migrate or export, good luck with that. So for total flexibility, WordPress.com at its course.com at its chords.com at its course.com at its cores.com at its cores.com and its cores.com, and the app market helps you out. Alright, so what about ease of use? This one's not even close, honestly. Wix is like having training wheels and a jetpack at the same time. Drag stuff wherever you want, see your changes instantly, love that. WordPress.com has modern tools and some setup wizards, but it can be kind of puzzling, especially if you're new to building sites. So if you're impatient or you just want something up now, Wix all the way, no contest. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Wix actually started as a builder based on Flash. Yeah, way back in 2006. Remember when Flash was supposed to run the whole internet? Super retro. Features, we all want them. This one actually ends up neck and neck. WordPress.com has those advanced blocking tools and tons of third-party integrations if you dig into plugins. But you want all the premium stuff? Gotta pay. Wix, meanwhile, is amazing if you need booking, galleries, or even a little online store. But their blog tools are pretty basic, like perfect for a portfolio, but maybe not for a hardcore writer. So for features, it's honestly a toss-up. Last up, SEO and marketing. Okay, WordPress.com is kind of a beast here. You get deep SEO controls and built-in analytics that actually tell you more than you had 3 visitors today. The catch is, you may need to install a couple plugins. Wix isn't bad either, especially if you're just starting. That SEO wizard basically handholds you, and social media is a snap, but if you want to geek out over advanced stuff, you'll hit some limits. WordPress.com inches out the win here. So stacking them side by side, you see that WordPress.com really dominates in flexibility, SEO, and gives you more value for money, while Wix totally crushes ease of use. Features are basically a tie. It really depends what you need most. So, my honest take? If you want something that can grow with you bloggers, agencies, or someone who wants real control, WordPress.com is just hard to beat. But if you need a seriously fast, beautiful site and you don't want to mess with plugins or any techie stuff, Wix is honestly a dream. But overall, WordPress.com takes the win for folks who want options and headroom. If this helped your choice, you know what to do. Subscribe for more raw, unfiltered comparisons coming up soon.